Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a friendship band using colorful ice cream sticks. These sticks are easily available in most stationery stores. Now take one stick, then using a fine tip permanent marker, draw a curve as shown and we can cut this out. Now I am going to write friend here. You can also write BFF or the name of your friend. In the same way I have cut out another piece. Then I have taken embroidery thread. You can also use wool or any thick thread which you have at home. Then we can glue all the three pieces together. Now I have taken some golden beads. Apply glue along the edges of the thread so that the threads do not come out and it is easy to insert the bead. Insert the bead and tie 1 or 2 knots over here so that the bead does not come out. Insert the bead on the other side as well and tie a knot. And that's it, our friendship band is ready. In the same way we can make more. So I hope you all like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.